What's going on to you? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. So today, just a short little video. Some of you who've been following the channel for a little while, you already know that I've had a NOVISTRETCH bumper cover installed on my Scat Pack, and my review on it was so-so because as you know, for some reason with the Charger bumper cover or with this body style, I'm not sure how it works for the 11 to 14 body styles, but for this body style here, the 16 and up, on my Scat Pack as well, on the corners of the, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Let's go ahead and go over there to it. I don't think I have any pictures or anything, but right here in this little spot where the bumper cover would go, it would leave like little lines right here on the corners right here. And a simple fix to that would just be tape it up. So that's a lot easier to just put the bumper cover on the rest of the car, tape up this little spot right here to keep it from leaving those little lines or scratches or scuffs or whatever they were. They ended up coming off, but I feel like if it was a darker color or black or something like that, I would have ran into some serious paint issues. But because my car was ivory tri-coat or white, I didn't really have any problems with it. So today, I'm going to be putting the bumper cover back on simply because I have a few chips already. Obviously, it won't help stuff like this one way up here. Boop. And there's another one like right down here. There we go. So yeah, got me right there. Got me right there. And there's one down here. Obviously, the bumper cover won't cover way up there. So you might just want to not follow rock trucks or tape it up right there, but right here you can see, and I got a couple little spots on this black trim right here. Got me a couple more down here. Nothing. It's gonna happen. If you drive your car, you're gonna get chips. Like, you can't stop 100% of them unless you just don't drive your car. But we're going to install the bumper cover to prevent any more things like that from happening. And my problem with that was when I went to put on the bumper cover, I realized, oh crap, I left all of the hardware on the Scat Pack. So all I had was the cover itself, which is right over here. And it's just a thin little cloth material or stretchy cloth material. I don't know what it is, nylon, something, I don't know. You guys seen plenty of pictures of it. I think I might have some pictures of my Scat Pack. If I do, I'll post them up for you to check them out. But we're going to throw it on today. And like I said, I wanted to throw it on a while back, but realized I didn't have the hardware. But here's how great the owner of the company is, and I'll show you right now. Got my little packet that came in the mail, first class. You know what I'm saying? I emailed this dude, or I emailed the company, not expecting anything, because I really did not want to buy a whole new NOVISTRETCH just to get the hardware. So I emailed them, not expecting a reply or anything, because no one replies to emails, right? And literally later that day, maybe 2 or 3 hours later, I got a reply, and I was like, no way, he actually replied. And he was like, super nice. 2 days later, I got this in my doorstep, my name and everything on it. Please find the enclosed hardware we discussed. Best, Andrew. Cool guy, man. Cool guy. Super nice, super nice. Sent me all the hardware that I needed. We got our 4 screws. We're going to 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and our 1 little Velcro patch. I told him I'm missing the hardware. He just asked for the make, model, and my address, and he'll ship me out a brand new one. Even sent me out a little koozie. Look at that. I don't even have anything to put in here, but it's neat. I'll find something to put in there. Can't argue with free, right? So that's really cool of him, man. He definitely didn't have to. I definitely was prepared to just take the L and pay the price, but, you know, super cool guy. So a lot of these companies, man, and that's good practice on him. A lot of these companies, if you just send them an email, call them up, they'll definitely be willing to help. And if they don't, they're just some a-holes. But Adam, you got my, or Andrew, you got my vote, man. These 2 right here, and then the 2 on the other side, and then this Velcro patch is going to go right in the middle. I can't get down there, and it's a tight fit, and I don't think you guys can see it anyway, but it's going to go right up under the bumper here. And you can see another little chip. So hopefully, once we get this thing on, for short little road trips and whatnot like that, we can prevent further rock chips. And for that little side problem that I was telling you guys about, we'll just throw in a little bit of painter's tape. It's a lot better than taping up the whole front end and the mirrors and everything else. Also, NOVISTRETCH does sell the little mirror covers. All right, so in order to better access those little rivets, just gonna start the car. And I don't have the key. Cut! All right, take 2. Start the car, turn the damn wheel. Jesus. We'll pop him out first. And don't worry about it. Oh shit. Don't worry about breaking them because you can just buy more. They're stupid cheap. Just don't want to fuck up my paint. They just come right on out. I got my hand against the paint so I don't pinch myself. Gotta sacrifice the body before you sacrifice the car. There you go. This is why we turn the wheel. I guess this one too. You could kind of reach this one. It's not as much of a pain to reach as this guy right here. Now we're just gonna throw this little dude back here. Slide her on in. Boop. Should pop into place. And that goes over top. Just make sure your holes line up somewhat. Slide it back just a little bit. Boop. Should be good. Now this one looks like a pain in the arse because it's up there. Tighten this little guy down first. Snug. This one, make sure it's lined up, tighten her down. Snug. Boom. Make sure your little holes are all lined up. Last part of the puzzle is this little guy right here. You just find a spot. You should probably definitely clean it off, which I'm about to do right here. Clean off a little spot. This is just a double or sticky side. Take the sticky side, stick it on right here in the middle, wherever you think that should be. Got the stripes on it are a good referencing point, so I'll just use the stripes and put them like right behind where the stripes stop at. That's where I'll put it at. Alrighty, so I got my little Velcro piece on, so now it's time to try for an actual test fit. Let's go ahead and you need to pop the hood. Grab your little thingamadilly, your NOVISTRETCH. Pop the hood. Actually get her opened up. One hand, tall guy, you see that? That's crazy. You got your little loops right here to go on the edges of them. And those little loops just go around these little guys right here. This one here and this one here. Why did I just 15%? Wow, killed my own battery. All right, let's hurry up and wrap this up before we run completely out of light. But yeah, here and here, and that Velcro piece. There's a Velcro piece on the middle of this right here. This little spot, and you just chuck it on. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put it on right now. So as you can see, it's on the sides, but it's not yet on the middle, or pull all the way down through the middle. So all you do is just work your way around until you get her down. That's it. Boop, boop, just like that. Look at that. And now most of the tension is on the sides, down at the bottom and such, instead of on the freaking the one little Velcro spot. Boom. And now she's already pretty much there. You just a little Velcro up under there. I don't think you guys see it. Feel for it. There you go. And she's done. That's all there is to it. You can see mine has been through it. She's protected me a little bit. I had a big ass tree bark, big ass piece of tree bark fly off of a log truck, and it hit me right here. So that saved me. It just left a little scuff, and I was able to wipe it off. And there's multiple other little rock spots where it definitely could have did me dirty. Right here is another one. Caught a mean ass rock right there, and this took the brunt of it. Didn't really get much of anything from that. So hopefully, oh shit, talking all that shit, can't close a bitch. Yep, second time's a charm. Still opened it quicker though. Alrighty, so that's pretty much the little install, man. Once again, thank you, Andrew, for sending the hardware kit. You didn't have to, but you did, and you sent it to me for free. All you needed was the make, model of the car, and within 2 days, I had a new hardware set on my door, along with the cool little koozie. So kudos to you for that. Appreciate it big time. So if you ever leave your hardware kit for some reason on the old car, then just hit up Andrew or hit up NOVISTRETCH, email them, and hopefully, you know, they take care of you like they took care of me. I really appreciate it. And if you're interested in getting a NOVISTRETCH yourself, I'll just leave the link down in the description. I bought mine over Amazon, so I'll leave both the website and the Amazon link down in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing one. But if it's your first time stopping by, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you guys get a notification when these videos go up. So go to the Instagram channel, Low376Slow, all one word. I'll put it down in the description. And that is all I got for you folks. Next time you see it, keep an eye on them right there. They'll change them soon. That's all I'm saying. All right, we're out for real this time. Peace.